All right, so winds, welcome back, by the way. Winds slightly breezy, gradual warm up, especially our overnights and mornings. Those temperatures aren't going to fall into the 50s. They're going to stay closer to the 70s. And again, as moisture moves in, fog late and early. Okay, here's what we have today. So with the clouds coming out, blocking out the sunshine, yeah, we stayed below average in the upper 70s. We've been as warm as 101 back in 1964. We know those days are coming very soon. We enjoyed the winter and the cooler months, but hey, you know, summer's long stretch on the way. Okay, visibility right now, yeah, almost perfect. Little cloud cover, a cloud deck building with some of the moisture, but here's what's going on. That moisture moving in, winds coming down a little bit, and again, late night tonight, overnight, we'll start to see some fog development that can last into the morning, so you want to slow it down a little bit. Be careful, those high beams tends to reflect that right back into your vision, impairing it even worse. So hey, be careful on the roadways. Okay, we're going to start to warm up, but specifically overnight in the morning as moisture moves in, we're going to hold those temperatures. We're barely going to fall out of the upper 60s. We're going to be pushing 68 to 72 degrees. So on the warm and plus on the humid side as those dew points creep back up after that boundary a couple days ago knocked those dew points down into the 20s and the 30s, but now with that moisture pushing in from the Gulf, here we are. We get to be about uncomfy, maybe around 60, 65. We're going to be pushing 70 plus, especially in the next couple days. I talked about our winds. We're about 5 to 10, 12 mile per hour in terms of gusting today, but hey, we'll be about 5 to 10 overnight with the winds just weak enough. Yeah, we're going to see that fog that I showed you a moment ago. So high pressure still controlling our atmosphere, but allowing some of that moisture to move in with some cloud development. As the moisture slowly does build, we'll see some disturbances push into the area, maybe Wednesday and into Thursday. We can start to see some rain, but most notably, as this boundary starts to get a little bit closer to us, we'll get some lift along the boundary, more moisture. Hey, we have a marginal risk of severe weather, marginal 1 to 5, marginal being a 1. So yeah, there's a chance we could see some strong storms, maybe even some severe weather on Thursday as this boundary starts to move closer to the area. And then after that, rain chances will start to lessen, but hey, we still could see some rain potentially Friday, Saturday, and into Sunday. Here's our future tracker. You'll see our best rain chances will be Thursday when that boundary starts to push close to the area. We'll get more moisture with that boundary. We'll get a little lift along that front. That could bring us some showers. Okay, for our marine forecast, here's what we have. Water temperature-wise, right around 71. Seas occasionally at 4 feet. That's going to keep our bays on the choppy side. Looking ahead next couple of days, here's our water temperature. You're doing your fishing or just doing some boating out there. Here's what we have. Some rain out there over the open waters, but then you see as we get closer to Thursday, that boundary could bring us some showers as well as some of these water temperatures are getting closer to that 80-degree mark. We'll be in the 70s this evening, but with the moisture starting to move in, hey, we only drop down to about 64 degrees. Again, late night fog, early morning fog as well. Tomorrow up to 82 degrees. We'll start off with that fog. Looking ahead, here's what we have. I talked about those mornings and nights. Look at that. Only dropping to 71, 73 degrees as we start getting closer to some of those 90-degree days. And again, a couple 20 and 40% chances of some showers as that moisture continues to build in the atmosphere.